Hey guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I want to show you kind of behind the scenes of how you start with the new affiliate program as an affiliate marketer and model success and strategically scale that program and that campaign up to the point until you reach your income goals. Now, my name is Brian Brewer. I've been an affiliate marketer since 2012. And if you're not familiar, affiliate marketing, basically we just promote other people's products and earn commissions. Because we only have to worry about the marketing, this allows us to get started with our business as fast as possible. And then we only have to focus on really one thing, marketing. The partner company takes care of the fulfillment, the products, the customer service, charging the credit cards, everything. We just refer traffic and earn commissions. But once again, we want to be strategic about this. So the reason I'm making this video right now is because we're coming up on a pretty nice milestone here for this particular affiliate program that I'm promoting. Now, this is just one of many that I'm promoting right now. But as you can see here, we're coming up on just around 10 grand a month with this particular program. Now, the reason I want to share this with you is because there are some important benchmarks that we're going to take a look at in this video. I'm not just showing this to you so I can say, hey, guess how much money I make. That's not the point. I just want to prove to you that this takes time, but if you continue to follow proven methods and you implement strategically and you continue to implement strategically consistently, then you can achieve your goals. And this is going to be proof of this right now. So what you can see here is the Becoming Legendary YouTube channel. You may be watching this on the Becoming Legendary YouTube channel right now. You might be watching this on another YouTube channel, or you might be watching this in my Facebook group. Wherever you're watching it, thank you, welcome. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments or whatever, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. But the reason that I wanted to show you this is because I created this channel from scratch not too long ago. You can see I only have 1,700 subscribers on here, so it's a fairly new channel. But the real cool thing, and the reason I made this video is because if we go back to about 7 months ago, is when I really started promoting this Legendary Marketer program more heavily, right? So that's when I created this video. It was a $10,000 per month free traffic simple strategy video. I wanted to be open, honest, and transparent and kind of document the process of taking a fairly new campaign and scaling it up to, let's say, 10 grand a month. So let's go ahead and open this link in the new tab here. And as we scroll over, what you're going to see here is somewhere I show you that my earnings were basically at zero for the month. Now, let's go ahead and look right there. Now, although you're going to see prior earnings, right? Like at this point, I had made about $8,000 with the program as a whole. What we have to remember is that $8,000 that I made initially was pretty much from my built-in audience that I already had from other affiliate marketing campaigns. So that doesn't really count. You're not going to have that, obviously. But the reason I got that kind of out of the way first is because I wanted to start basically from scratch, creating the YouTube videos, creating the content, and then scale it up and then kind of document the process both on the YouTube channel and in my Facebook group, so that way you can learn how to better do these high ticket affiliate marketing. So yeah, you can see right here, in the last 30 days when I shot this video, I had made the previous 8 grand from the existing audience, but at this point I hadn't promoted it in a couple of months, and I was basically making $186 a month, right? So not very much money. But in this video, what I did is I basically outlined my plan. Like you can see, if you watch this video, you're going to see that I kind of looked at other people who were having successful Legendary Marketer program. I kind of reverse engineered their funnels. I tweaked them a little bit. I didn't copy exactly what they were doing, but I modeled what they were doing and applied it to my own vision, values, and kind of my voice. And I outlined the entire strategy in this video, which was once again shot 7 months ago. And then since then, I've basically followed exactly what I've outlined in this video. And as you can see, we're almost to that 10 grand per month mark. So that's kind of like why I wanted to make this video, is because I outlined the strategy, I implemented the strategy, and sure enough, it's working. So yeah, I'll go ahead and link down to this this video if you want to go ahead and watch this. I'll go ahead and link to my Facebook group if you're not watching this in my Facebook group. I try to support everybody as much as possible. My goal is really to help you hit your first $1,000 per month with high ticket affiliate marketing. And if you choose the right program, not too terribly difficult. But before you go, one thing that I kind of want to share with you is when I kind of laid this out. I know it looks really messy, but as I'm talking through it and actually, giving you step by step, it'll become pretty clear. I actually switched it up, and in this video where I tell you I use Quora to seed my YouTube channel, now I'm using TikTok to seed my YouTube channel because the organic growth on TikTok is so incredible. You can start as a new account and start getting targeted views to your YouTube channel. Once again, I explained that whole strategy in that video, but really the point I want to make is everybody wants to get rich quick and everybody wants to make $1 million overnight. But if you follow a proven plan with a proven partner and you follow the proven system and you implement it consistently on a daily basis and you shoot for like a 12-month plan, like, I did it in 7 months, but I've been doing this a lot longer, so maybe a more reasonable plan for you is 12 months. If I implement this strategy for 12 months, will I have a $10,000 per month passive income business at that point? Right? That should be your goal. Like, okay, cool. I want to make $1,000 in month 3. I want to make $3,000 in month 6. I want to make $9,000 in month 9. And then if I can make $10,000 in month 12, that would be awesome, right? So think of a 7 to 12 month plan. A lot of people are going to look at this video and be like, yeah, I see, you got the YouTube videos, which are part of the traffic source, obviously. You might be thinking to yourself, like, how am I going to create those YouTube videos, right? I don't know as much as you, Brian. And the thing is that's what's cool about something like Legendary Marketer. It's going to teach you stuff, and then you can promote their products that teach stuff to other people, right? So basically what you do is you invest in Legendary Marketer, right? You join their Business Builder Challenge. You invest in their blueprints and their trainings and their Omni branding formulas. And then you learn that content, right? And then what happens is after you learn that content, you implement that content to start your marketing. And then you go to YouTube or TikTok and you teach that content, right? Learn, do, teach. That's how you master something. That's how you become a master affiliate marketer, right? So that's the strategy, right? You learn, do, teach, and that's where you're going to get the content. If you don't have content ideas, it's because you're not investing in your education. Investing in your education through Legendary Marketer is the shortcut. So what you do is you educate and empower people to make a positive change in their life by purchasing the product that you're promoting. So in this case, I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So what I want to do is I want to help you with my Facebook group and for free on my YouTube channel and with my TikToks. I want to help you learn how you can actually make money with Legendary Marketer. And in turn, it would make sense for you to invest in Legendary Marketer, right? I mean, that's how the whole process works. That's why this is such a great program. I hope that was pretty clear. I thought it was really interesting. See what I'm doing, like dissect what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. Where am I linking? What am I doing? Where are my YouTube channels pointing? Where's my TikToks pointing to? What am I doing in my Facebook group? Like I'm trying to be open, honest, and transparent, but also like watch what I'm doing and then model what I'm doing and do it ethically and make sure you invest in your training so you have the knowledge and things will work out. And just remember what you want to do is you want to plan for this time next year to have that goal, right? That $10,000 a month goal or whatever that goal is for you. And you might not hit it, but if you get close, right? If you get to $6,000 a month, that's a pretty good deal, right? That I think that would make most people happy. But you can't get rich overnight. Like, don't try to get rich overnight for the next 10 years, right? Like, just think, okay, cool. By this time next year, I want to quit my job. And that's how you do it. So I'll link to a bunch of stuff wherever you're watching this. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'd be happy to answer them for you. And well, I hope this was an interesting perspective. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good one now. Bye.